6 quick reasons to use Instagram guides to grow your business. When new features are introduced on platforms, often some users are hesitant to undertake the process of using them. When the feature is released, usually there's not immediate uptake by all users. This can prevent other creators from using it as well. This is a misplaced fear. Instead, rather than shying away from using a new feature, you should be embracing it. This quick presentation will take you through some reasons why you should start using Instagram guides today. First, platforms tend to reward creatives that are brave enough to use new features. Therefore, you might find Instagram favoring your posts and improving your location in your followers' algorithms, as well as increasing your exposure to new followers. If you are aiming to truly capitalize on the new update, work quickly. With quick uptake, you'll find that you have less competition within the field of guides. This means that your content does not have to be as refined as a post would need to be in order to send it out. Your followers will be more impressed with your guides because they have less to compare them to. This is not to say, of course, that your guides would not be good. Simply that followers have low expectations to begin with. Nevertheless, guides are a great way to give information on a certain topic. You can create collections of posts that are all based around the same thing. This is a great way to highlight certain areas of your feed without your followers having to scroll through all of your posts. You can also show the content that is relevant to yours by including content from other creators. You can give much-needed exposure to other creators as well as building a community between your audience and theirs. You can also use specific guide features to recommend products that are tagged on the Instagram Shop features as well as physical locations. If you own a small business with a physical location that is tagged on Instagram, this is an excellent way for you to promote your business. You can include photos that other users have put up in order to include some user-generated content and show your followers, future customers, that other people have enjoyed their time there. This is a way to amplify the word-of-mouth marketing that many businesses rely so heavily upon. Instagram guides bring a new way to collaborate with other users. You'll be able to build a partnership with someone by sharing their posts or them sharing yours in a guide. This is an excellent way to increase your exposure. Instagram guides operate as an authoritative thing, which means that your audience will perceive you as an expert in your given industry. It will add to brand power. You can also present yourself as an expert in any given topic by creating a guide on it. You can collate other users' posts on a topic and include yours in with them. In conclusion, building a business on Instagram has never been easier. All you have to do is determine which elements will be the most effective for you and focus on them.